Good morning, children. Today we will do exercises of chapter 4, section A. Question is, fill in the blanks with the help of hints given below. The hints are program, desktop, bar, shutdown, UPS. Now first is, to start a computer, we need to first switch on the पावर सप्लाई बटन। जब हमको कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट करना होता है तो सबसे पहले हम कौन सा स्विच ऑन करते हैं? पावर सप्लाई बटन। सेकेंड इज, इफ द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी गोज ऑफ द डैश मेक्स द कंप्यूटर वर्क। जब लाइट चली जाती है तो कैसे कंप्यूटर वर्क करता है? विद द हेल्प ऑफ यूपीएस। To turn off the computer, click on the start, then power, then shut down button. जब हमको कंप्यूटर को क्लोज करना होता है, टर्न ऑफ करना होता है तो कौन से स्टेप्स होते हैं? स्टार्ट, पावर, शट डाउन बटन। नंबर 4 इज, विंडोज इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर प्रोग्राम that makes the computer work. Windows क्या है? Very popular program. Fifth is, dash is the first display screen when we switch on a computer. What is the first display screen? Desktop. Is write T for true or F for false. First is, you can only read the items if the WordPad window is active. So this statement is false because you can only read the items if the WordPad window is inactive. So this statement is false. Second is, icons are the background display of the desktop. What are icons? Icons are present on the desktop. So this statement is also false. Third is, title bar is located at the top of the desktop. Where title bar is present? At the top of the application, not on the desktop. So this statement is also false. Fourth is, the first step to start a computer is to switch on the monitor button. So first step is to switch on the main power supply button. So this statement is also false. Now come to question C. In question C, match the following. You have to match column A with column B. So, icons. First is icons. Icons are small pictures on desktop. Second, desktop. What is desktop? The first display screen. Taskbar. What is taskbar? The thin bar at the bottom of desktop. Minimize button. What is minimize button? It's a control button. Number 5th is title bar. What is title bar? The topmost blue bar of an application. Now section B. Question A is, take the right answer. First is, dash makes a computer work when electricity goes off. जब लाइट चली जाती है तब कंप्यूटर काम करता रहता है। कैसे? ऑप्शंस आर CPU, UPS, both A and B. We know UPS makes a computer work when electricity goes off. Second is, dash button on the title bar makes the WordPad window smaller in size. विंडो साइज कैसे स्मॉल हो सकता है? Restore down button, close button, minimize button. So the option is restore down button. Third is the thin bar at the bottom of the desktop is called. जो सबसे नीचे थिन बार होती है वो क्या कहलाती है? ऑप्शंस आर टास्क बार, टाइटल बार, मेन्यू बार. So we know it is task bar. Fourth, the first display screen of the Windows 10 is called. जो फर्स्ट डिस्प्ले स्क्रीन होती है उसको क्या कहते हैं? टाइटल बार, आइकन्स और डेस्कटॉप. Yes, the answer is desktop. The correct answer is desktop. Question B is answer the following. First is what is Windows? The answer is Windows is the most popular program that makes the computer work. Second is which button do we click first to shut down a computer? कंप्यूटर को शट डाउन करने के लिए सबसे पहले बटन कौन सा क्लिक करना चाहिए? We click on the start button. Third is what is desktop? Now the answer is desktop is the first display screen when we switch on a computer. Now fourth is what are icons? Answer is small pictures on desktop are called icons. Children, do all these questions in your book. That's all for today. Bye bye.